Nagbabalik ang PTV Sports.
Sa ating sports banter ay makakasama natin ngayon si National Masters and Seniors Athletics Association of the Philippines President Drolly Claraval para magbigay ng update tungkol sa ating mga sports events na pwedeng salihan ng mga veteranong atleta. Good morning, Miss Drolly, and welcome po to PTV Sports. Una po sa lahat, Miss Drolly, kamusta pong naging turnout ng ating 2024 Philippine Masters International Athletics Championship, pati na rin po nung Tandang Pinoy?
Well, una-una sa lahat, gusto ko pong batiin muna ang ating mga kababayan ng magandang umaga po at advance happy birthday din po sa aming butihing mayor na si Dr. Jose Marie Diaz sa City of Ilagan. Actually, last November 8 and 10, we conducted the International Masters Championship sa Ultra po. And itong championship po namin ay isa sa pinakamasaya so far. At well-attended po siya. Kasi last May, we conducted the national and napakataas po ang nag-increase in terms of events. Last time, we have only 891 events, but now we have 1,066 events. So, because of course, the help of our friends and media to disseminate the information and to announce to people in the Philippines to participate for this event. So, masayang-masaya na kami dahil madami pa pong sumali sa ating mga kababayan. And we have a lot of special story of our participants kasi meron yung 7 times na daw na stroke, bumalik sa field, mayroong mga cancer patients na sobra silang, palagi ako rin na, Ma'am, cancer patient po ako, survivor, ngayon nandito ako uli, masaya po ako. Mayroon iba, Ma'am, last month depressed po ako, ngayon masaya po ako dahil naka-join ako dito. So, ito ay, this activity is a holistic approach of introducing this to the masters, not only the masters, but also our senior citizens.
Miss Drolly, sinabi nyo nga po na compared to last year, tumaas talaga yung turnout na itong event. Sa tingin nyo po, paano po nangyari? Ano po yung naging dahilan?
Yung mga baguhan na nag-participate noong May, nag-invite na naman sila ng mga kasama nila. At yung mga siyempre, malaking tulong ang media, no? Kasi palagi po natin ina-announce na, and then, of course, yung mga iba kasi, ngayon lang sila sumali. They're not an athlete before, pero ngayong tumanda na sila. Actually, yung iba sa kanila, 60 years old, 65 years old nag-start. So, ang athletics kasi is just a basic skills of all of us. We can walk, we can run, we can throw. So, kahit basic lang, pag nakita nila yung mga matatanda na tumatakbo, talagang na-inspire sila.
Ms. Drolly, tiyak sa ating mga manonood, they're very interested. Is there an age category para sumali sa Masters Athletics?
Yes, Megs. Sa Masters po, we start 30 years old here in the Philippines. But abroad, 35 years old up to 100 years old.
Oh, wow. So,
ang pinakamatanda po pinakamatanda na nakilala, nakausap at na-treat ko po na pasyente is 103 years old from India. So, nangyari po nung Asian Games yan, Asian Masters namin sa Malaysia coaching. So, 103 years old, 100, 200, and javelin throw ang laro.
Wow.
So, dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, saan na sila? Diba? So, hopefully, dito sa atin, through this program that we have sa Pilipinas, ay tuloy-tuloy natin ma-encourage ang ating mga senior citizens. Actually, we already launched a program for the senior citizens. We started in the City of Ilagan, and we're so thankful to our dear mayor to give their full support to the activity. Kasi, imagine mo, launching namin, less than 5,000 ang nag-participate na senior citizen, seeing them going around the oval, punong-puno po na naglalakad sila. Ang saya. At pinakamatanda na nag-attend is 101 years old.
Wow. Talaga naman, no? Very inspiring itong programa ninyo.
Yes, ma'am.
But of course, dun sa mga gustong sumali, paano ba sila sumali? And ano-ano po ba yung mga sports sa ilalim nitong inyong programa?
This is athletics. So we have 3 events, main events. We have jumping, running, and throwing. So all events in the athletics ay nalalaro po natin. So from sprint, middle distance, and long distance. And of course, we have also the walk. And then we have throws. Ako kasi thrower ako. Right now, ako po, last 2023, when we hosted the Asian Masters Championship, ako po yung nag-gold sa category natin sa hammer throw. So throwing po ang aking laro. Lahat 4 throws. Then, sa throwing, we have a hammer throw, discus throw, javelin throw, and discus throw. And then in jumping events, long jump, triple jump, and of course we have the pole vault also. And actually last August, no, ka-attend namin we participated in the World Championship in Sweden. At nakakatuwa po doon, isang nakausap ko, sobra ako na-inspired, no, sa throwing. 80 years old.
Wow.
Sabi sa akin, I have 2 peacemaker in my heart. I have 4 operation in my shoulder and 9 operations in my knee. But still, nasa field, naglalaro. Diba? Dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, pag may sakit, sa bahay lang. So, kailangan, ma-encourage natin ang bawat isa because this is the natural way of healing people.
Miss Drolly, so sinasabi niyo po na dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, siguro kailangan nating basagin yung notion na kapag meron kang mga ganitong karamdaman, hindi ka na dapat sumabak sa mga physical activities. Tama po ba?
Yes. Yes. Actually, isa pang nag-push sa akin to inspire the young people, I mean the senior citizen. In China, we have Rugao, China, no? Mayroong city doon na tinatawag na City of Longevity. So that is in Rugao. Bakit City of Longevity? Kasi there are 300 plus centennial people na nandoon.
Wow.
At isang nakita ko, naglalakad siya, nagtatrabaho siya. Tinanong namin ilang taon. 91 years old, nagtatrabaho pa. Sabi ko, ang lakas-lakas niya. Diba? So sana dito sa Pilipinas, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo.
Ito yung definition na age is but a number.
Yes,
No
yes,
limits, right?
Tama.
Yeah.
Pero Ms. Drolly, idagdag ko lang, how important are these events or programs for our senior citizens? And not just our senior citizens, pero dun sa mga taong gusto lang talagang sumali sa mga ganitong programa.
Alam niyo, sa ngayon, open na yung, iba-iba na yung may triathlon na tayo. So, but ang pinakamaraming sumasali talaga sa fun run, doon pa lang, sali-sali ka lang sa fun run. No? And then later on, ma-motivate and ma-inspire ka. And then later on, you go for proper competition. So yung mga sumasali dito sa mga ganito, malaking bagay yon kasi this is the natural way to detoxify the body. And this is the natural way to strengthen your body. Ako, lola na po ako. I have 5 children. Okay? So, pag tinitingnan tao, pag lola ka na, hindi ka na, no. Diba? So, hindi nakikita siguro sa mukha ko na lola na ako. That's why I'm very proud na ini-encourage ko mga dito sa Pilipinas na to join the activity kasi it will really help, great help to all of us. Kasi this is the natural way to strengthen us talaga.
Miss Drolly, napag-uusapan nga po natin itong mga participation ng ating senior athletes pero interesado rin po ang ating mga kababayang PWD kahit po ba raw ang may mga kapansanan ay pwedeng sumali dito?
Actually, kanina habang papunta po ako dito, naisip ko yon. Actually, nung last lang, mayroong nagsumali, mayroong disability, kamay naman lang. But mayroon pa. Pero we will consider that to create a national master group for Paralympics.
Nice.
Okay, sa track events. Pero another area naman kasi. Another group kasi ang hahawak nun.
But definitely, we are looking forward sa sa pagsali ng PWD.
Yes, correct.
Malaking boost sa ating mga PWD.
Yes po. We will consider that.
Moving forward po, Miss Drolly, ano pa po yung mga events na pwede nating asahan na paparating?
Okay. So this coming March, next year, so katatapos lang po ng event namin. So we're going to have the indoor championship in Florida. okay, sa USA, March. And then we're going to have another Asian championship sa Indonesia naman. And then we're going to have an activity sa May of next year. So that is in the Philippines. So lahat yan ay ginagawa namin. And then we keep on encouraging people. Actually, we have different activities already in the Philippines because one of my objectives is to go around the Philippines, different regions, to encourage a senior citizen to participate in the activity. And then at the same time, even the masters. So in Davao, we started already last September. So nag-start na kami sa Davao ng masters namin. And then hopefully may susunod pa na mga activity, not only in Ilagan, not only in Davao, but other region pa.
Ms. Rolly, I believe that you have an award-winning tool with you this
Wow.
morning. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes. So, ito po mga kababayan, it was awarded in 2021 Gintong Gawad Award for na pinakabagong produkto para sa sports. So I'm using this last 2022 in Hanoi, Vietnam sa mga athletics natin, player. Mayroon yung, if you know, Eric Ray. Si Eric Ray po ay ating runners, no? Olympian po natin. And the rest of the good athletes, no? May mga issues sila, may sciatica, may mga pain sa katawan na they cannot perform na, no? So through this tool, no, ay nakatulong ng malaki. That's why that was 2022, 2023 it was awarded as Pag-asa National Awardee because of this, the impact of this. So we utilize this in our city Ilagan. Our mayor, former mayor, Dr. Ma'am Moods, no, Honorable Moods Diaz, siya po ay physical therapist. And inipon niya lahat mga PT namin sa city namin, ni-sponsor nila to learn the technique of this. Kasi this is, you know, they call it amazing blade because 3 to 5 glides lang sa katawan, it will release right away the fascia, no, adhesion. So, ito po yung ginagamit ko sa clinic. Lahat na tool na ginagamit ko sa clinic ay patented po and it's supported by the Department of Science and Technology. And right now, actually, ongoing ako na ni-request ng UP Diliman Taekwondo team to be their sports therapist in Rizal Memorial. From here, bumalik po ako doon mamaya.
Congratulations, Ma'am Rolly. Pero paano nga po ba ito gamitin? Na-curious lang ako.
The shape, no, actually we call it the instrument soft tissue mobilization, no? In the general term niya. But this is, we call it, the patent name is handheld massage tool. Kasi sometimes, no, we have a lot of gadgets sa bahay na may baterya, kailangan ng kuryente. Ito wala. You can bring this anywhere. And the shapes ay nag-fit sa buong katawan from the smallest to the biggest muscles. And you will only know that if I'm going to tell you the technique.
Pwede po ba?
Yeah, mamaya. I can
demonstrate
yeah,
on.
ito try ko sa inyo after the program.
Alright po, alright.
Alam mo, partner, no, this is such a good program because dito natin makikita na very inclusive na ang ating sports right now. This is a good avenue for our senior citizen na ipakita ang kanilang galing sa sports.
Tama ka dyan, partner. And yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ni Miss Drolly na hindi hadlang yung mga karamdaman, no, na para mag-participate ka sa physical activities. Kasi nga, like Miss Drolly said, yun nga yung natural way of healing the body.
With that, Ms. Rolly, maraming salamat sa pag-unlak sa aming panayam ngayong
Thank you so
umaga.
much, too.
We really learned a lot.
Tama po.
Thank you so much.